So you installed AAM and you probably immediately noticed that the UI is a bit complicated. However, fear nothing, because within the next minute I will explain you how to navigate this UI and how to make best out of it. The AAM page is divided into two major sections. The bigger one is the place where you can define access controls and preferences. And on the right side, there are three distinct widgets. So the first one is your security score. AAM has its own security audit, and there's a separate video explains how to initiate security audit and how to read the reports. The second widget is the place where you can switch between so-called AAM pages, like access page, the one that you see here, or settings page. The third widget we called users and roles widget, and this is a place where you can navigate between access levels. AAM recognizes four distinct access levels. The first one is roles, then users, visitors, as well as the default access level, the place where you can define access controls and preferences for everyone at once.